I couldn't finish. Sorry, baby girl. I'm sorry, Pokey. Good girl, it's okay. I'm okay. Good girl. Oops. Ooh, my face feels really hot. Mischief, stop. That's just not enjoyable. I really don't enjoy it. I don't want to smoke it again, but I didn't get high, so I'm gonna roll a joint. No, I don't enjoy the bong at all. I don't know why I thought this one would be. I thought this little one would be smoother than the big badass, the big bad beast. What are you doing? You look weird. You okay? What's up, Pokey? Good girl. All right. Whew, I'm gonna roll a joint. My whole body is so hot. Ooh-wee. It's making me hot. I need an ice pack. It's too hot. So hot. Oh, that's so cool. That feels much better. Mm-hmm. God, I'm so hot. And I'm so high. Oh my God. It's just gonna keep creeping. The more I cough, like I swear, the higher I get. I'm a cough to get off kind of girl, although I know it's not true. I like to feel the choke in the back of my throat. So I toke till I feel the choke back of my throat. Hoo-wee. So hot. All this freaking hair does not help, bro. Oh. No, I do not need to smoke anymore. Ooh. I heard the murmur girl. Did you hear her? Murmur. Brrr. There she is. The murmur girl. Brrr. 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 I'm so high. So I'm gonna start talking to my cat. Oh, somebody answered me about dyeing my hair. What color though? Just bleach it? Dye it and then dye it red or dye it pink or what? I could try to do it on video, but like that's hours process, so obviously pause the video when I'm like waiting, but I don't know. I haven't dyed my hair. Oh yeah, I dyed it like a year ago or something. I forgot. But before that, it was years. I don't even remember dyeing it. It's weird. I was sober like